DNS is the protocol that translates a domain name into an IP address. The protocol uses DNS tables that contain the domain name and its equivalent IP address stored in a distributed large database. In DNS poisoning, also known as DNS spoofing, the attacker tricks a DNS server into believing that it has received authentic information when, in reality, it has not received any. The attacker tries to redirect the victim to a malicious server instead of the legitimate server. The attacker does this by manipulating the DNS table entries in the DNS. This results in substitution of a false IP address at the DNS level, where web addresses are converted into numeric IP addresses. When the victim tries to access a website, the attacker manipulates the entries in the DNS table so that the victim's system redirects the URL to the attacker's server. The attacker replaces IP address entries for a target site on a given DNS server with the IP address of the server, malicious server, she controls. The attacker can create fake DNS entries for the server, containing malicious content, with the same names as that of the target server. Thus, the victim connects to the attacker's server without realizing it. For example, if a victim types www.google.com, the request is redirected to the fake website www.google.com. Once the victim connects to the attacker's server, the attacker can compromise the victim's system and steal data.